Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bugs Coins and welcome back to an animal coin hunt. It's Animal Coin Hunt 46. It is several coins from the country of Swaziland. Although this is under the Animal Coin Hunt banner, it is more to do with nature and natural history. This first coin from Swaziland on the face shows the head of state, I believe it is, along with the country name. On the reverse, this is one of the animal coins from the animal coin. It's a 20 cent. It's from 2015. It has an elephant, the value and the year on this side of the coin. The second coin is a different coloured coin. Again, it has the Swaziland with the man on the side of it. It is a tribal leader of some description. On the reverse, we have an orchid flower plus a raya. Excuse me while I turn the fan off. We've got to add it on. This is quite a warm day that I'm recording this on. But the orchid flower is here and the raya's head is just here. It's a bird head. Neither this one or any of the coins in this set have any mintage figures available. So that's the raya and the orchid. So like that's not a raya on there, it is just a straightforward orchid. And it's just that the head looked a bit like a bird's head and beak, the way that it was shown. I apologise for that. Again, it's a 20 cent coin. There we go, we have a smaller Swaziland multi-sided coin. It's a 10 cent coin from 2015. Again, there is no mintage figures for it, and again it shows the tribal leader on the front. Then on the rear of the coin we have the value of 10 cents and we have sugar cane. And we also have the year on there. Next one is a Wanligani, and that's what one, and then it's Lilange. The GD maybe. It's a 2015 coin. On the reverse you have, on the obverse you have the tribal leader, male tribal leader, and then on the reverse you have a female tribal. The tribal lady, the year and the value. This is the one coin that doesn't fit into the natural history side, but it's part of the set of coins that I bought. And finally we have a multi-sided coin, which is a 50 cent coin from 2015. Again, you have the tribal leader on the front, and then on the rear you have the coat of arms, which include a lion and an elephant, with the 50 above the coat of arms and cents below it. It also has the year of 2015 on. So this is a partial 2015 set of coins. I don't know if there's one bigger than the one Ligange coin. Liganj, I think is the actual way that you pronounce it. I don't know if there is one above the one value of 1. I don't know if there's any coins above that. But that's the 2015 partial set from Swaziland from 2015. A lot of them have animals on, or wild natural history. That concludes this one, so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, I would be very happy to have you subscribed. I am trying to reach 250 by the end of December 2023. I'm currently at 226 midway through September, so I'm on target, but I still need your help to get over the line. I set the targets back in January, so I don't think I've done too bad with what I've set myself, which is 150 subscribers this year. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins or notes or whatever you're buying, I hope you can get the thing you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4, but usually 5 videos a week. So in doing that, I'm hoping that you'll find at least something that you want to watch. And until we meet up again, thank you for staying to the end of the video. And from me, until we do meet up again, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.